Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 5:30 in the morning and as you can see, I'm just making this video for you guys because I didn't get any time to shoot the video in my day because it's really a hectic schedule for me till Monday to Thursday, Friday, and I didn't get any time to shoot any kind of video, so I'm so sorry for this. And soon I'm going to start a new series, so most probably within 1 or 2 days, I'm going to upload State of Being and State of Possession video on my YouTube channel. So please, you subscribe my channel and like my channel. And if you want to achieve your dreams, you have to work hard, because I'm really passionate about English, so I'm working on it. Still I'm working on it. I get up early in the morning and I just do some kinds of practice of English, and read some books. So please guys, if you want to improve your English, you also have to go through this kind of process, because without doing efforts, you cannot improve your English, you cannot achieve your dreams. And now English is become the most important, you know factor for your communication skill. Whenever you go any whenever you go in kind of multinational companies, in kind of any private school, you have to face the interview in English. So it is mandatory now. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.